Why do 70% of retailers struggle with inventory issues? The answer might surprise you. It's time to talk AI. Imagine never running out of your best-selling items or drowning in unsold stock. AI-powered tools are here to save the day. They predict customer demand with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring you always have the right products at the right time. These smart systems analyze past sales, trends, and even weather forecasts to optimize inventory levels, less waste, more efficiency, and happier customers. Sounds like a win-win, right? So how do you manage inventory in your business? Let's discuss AI solutions in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more savvy business tips. AI, inventory management, retail tech, business optimization.